Hi everyone, Jeremy here, thanks for watching today. Today is the launch of the Made to Surprise collection Under the Sea. So it's a mini collection and we've got 3 items. We have a paper pack, washi tape and ephemera. So I'll just take them out of the packaging and show you them in more detail. Sorry for the rustling. It's an 8x8 paper pack, 4 each of 6 designs, 190 GSM. So we've got this lovely colourful bright topper sheet and we've got a number of sentiments: hugs and fishes, best fishes, I whale always love you, happy birthday, have a totally awesome birthday, today is all about you, make a wish upon a starfish. Oh, that's really sweet. You are a star, keep on swimming, it's your birthday. And then we've got another sheet here, so you've got all these cut aparts. Take me to the ocean, hello, happy birthday, best wishes, thinking of you. Then we have the underwater scenes. So the paper is divided into 2, and you've got 2 designs there, so perfect for your smaller card bases. You've then got the water or waves sort of design. Then we have another under the water scene. Then we have this other pattern. So we've got the swirls, the waves, the ocean, however you want to look at it. So that's the 6 designs there. Then we've got this pack of 3 washi tape. So they're all on a backing paper and you just peel them off individually. So we've got some really lovely patterns there and designs. We've got the dolphins, fish, waves, narwhal, the shells. I went to say seashells, but it says cells. I'm combining my words again. And then we've also got this 70-piece Under the Sea ephemera. So just take these out of the packaging. So as you can see, lots and lots of images there. We've got the whale, the dolphin, octopus, look at the cute little crab. Turtle, so many images and sort of the foliage as well to decorate your card. So that's all the elements from the Under the Sea collection. Sam and I will be mixing and matching all of these with past collections, so we'll be using different mechanisms and creating some fun cards. So I'm filming this video prior to making my samples, so I'm not too sure on what I'm going to be creating yet, but in the next part you'll see what I've come up with. So my samples are all now complete and ready to send off to Sam. So I'll just set them to one side and go through them individually. So I'll start off with the tower die. Absolutely love this die, it's so versatile. You can make it into masculine, feminine, and it tends to work with all themes. As you can see, it works perfectly with the under the water theme. You could double this up and put an acetate front on it, make it into an aquarium. You could go so far with this particular die set. So what I did was ink blend my background using Distress Oxides, few splatters of water, and then I die cut the card base. I added some washi tape along the sides here and all of the ephemera pieces, and the hugs and fishes and it's your birthday is from the paper pack. And I finished off with some water droplets. You'll see them on the majority of the cards because it fits so well with this particular theme. Then I've created a smaller card, so this is a 4x6, and I've used the simple pop-ups. There are some washi strips or strips within the paper pad, so I've chopped them up and created this pattern paper, stamped best fishes and added some ephemera on the front, and then you open it up and you've got this pop-out panel, and I will always love you. Couldn't say that then. And we've got some of the characters here. I've used the pattern paper then to create the sea or the waves or the water background. So I think that looks really cool. And just sort of pop it out and it'll stand up like so. So it'll be on display like that. So this is your non-traditional colours. This is actually washi tape, and I loved this pattern and I just wanted to use it. So I had 3 strips of washi tape and I've joined them all together and cut the frame out of the washi tape, added the ephemera on the front and some silhouette fish there, and you open it up, and inside I've used a similar pattern paper to create this background. And I've just realised that I'm missing the sentiment. So I'm going to have to attach that. So you'll see it slightly different in the pictures. It's just going to have a sentiment strip there. Then I've also used the super sliders. This takes me back. This is my very first purchase from Made to Surprise, and it's the circle sliders. So I've created into a shaker and use a Creative Craft Products shaker cup there, which works perfectly with the super sliders. And you open it up like so, and inside I've heat embossed "Have a Totally Awesome Birthday." So I think that looks really cool. Then the last of my 2 samples, I've created tutorials for both of these. So this is using the turn and reveal mechanism. So I've created a 7x7 acetate front card, used lots of the ephemera and ink blended the background. I've also added some perfect pearls. I don't know if you're capturing that on camera, but it's got a really nice shimmer. And then you turn the card and Ollie the octopus pops up. I think it's such a cool card, I love it. And then he just pops back down, he's hidden then behind all of the ephemera pieces there. And then lastly, this was a request from some of you when I shared a previous under the water theme card, and it was also a tunnel card. So I've gone for a different shape and size, and I've incorporated the pattern paper that's included in this collection. So it's more of a DL tunnel card. So you've got your 4 layers there, and I've cut this topper from the paper pack, The Sea Calls to Me. I think this just come together so well, and I really like all the different colours and how the fish and all the different elements work together. So there's all my samples. As I normally ask, let me know in the comments below which one's your favourite. I hope you're looking forward to the upcoming tutorials. Any products used will be listed in the description box below. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!